Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell on P2P Binance. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now, once you have the app open, just go ahead over to trade right here at the very bottom. Tap on it. And then here, as you can see at the very top, we have these tabs. We have convert, spot, margin, P2P, buy and sell. So just tap on P2P, just like so. Now under P2P, select your currency. And then after that, select sell right here instead of buy. Sell. Okay, tap away. Now go ahead and select the coin that you would like to sell, for example, USDT. And then enter the amount right here. For example, the total amount of USDT in dollars would be 20 bucks. Hit on confirm. Now the payment option right here, you can just go ahead and select one. If not, you can go ahead and select from one of these buyers right here. Okay. For example, this buyer got a ton of banking or payout methods. Let's say you have Yappy Panama right here. Okay. So what you're going to do is just tap on sell and make sure that you have enough USD in here. You could go ahead and sell buy USD or buy USDT. All, for example, and then once done, you have the select payment method option. We'll select the ones that you have. Okay. Then go ahead and enter your phone number, email, or sometimes it will ask you for your card details. So just go ahead and enter your card details. And then once that's done, go ahead and scroll down a bit and just set on place order. Okay. Wait a bit. And after that, in no time, you'll receive the amount that you have just sold right here under P2P. That's how simple it is to sell on Binance P2P. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.